how to fix Epic Games offline status. So here what we want to do is exit out of Epic Games, open up our computer search, and we're just going to search for Epic Games launcher here. If you don't have it on your desktop, right click on it and then open file location. Now from here what we want to do is again right click on it, go to properties, and after this target here, just click at the very last spot here, press space and paste this command -http equals wini.net, and then click on apply, continue with permission, then go to compatibility, make sure this is checked, run this program as an administrator, and also this, run this program in compatibility mode 4, and you can set this to Windows 7 here. And again, we will click on apply, click on OK, and this will fix the issue for you. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.